Scholar, this is the San Diego Police Department. We need to talk to you. We need to do it safely. We need you to come out with nothing in your hands and your hands up. If you do not comply with our commands, we're going to send a police dog. You will be bit. We do not want to do that. We do not want to hurt you. We want to do this safely. We need you to come out now with your hands up.
Yeah, I have lethal. Now we got less lethal. If he doesn't present himself, we have. Scholar, I know you speak English. You coming out? If you come out, you better not have anything in your hand. You need to come out with your hands up. Nothing in your hands. Okay. Back up. Back up. Let's give it. Scholar! Yeah. Listen!
Scholar, this isn't gonna stop!
He still has the bar?
Yeah.
He was like
I saw
holding it up, yeah. This is out. He's on. We need to move up. Let me see your hands. You're gonna get shot. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands.